What's up, guys? This is Trader back with another live trading session. So, guys, I ended up taking a pre-market trade today. AUV was doing my setup right here, and I took this trade long right here and took profit. If we go to my realized gains and losses, I got $1.31 to the top and was taking profit all the way up there. And I just, once it got down to a dollar, I just went ahead and got out with $1 profit on that last share. I only got in with 10 shares because I didn't know how it would react, but it 10 shares with 12 bucks in profit. So it's a nice little quick trade right there. Getting that 10 shares in there for a nice 10 bucks. That's almost an equivalent trade. But anyway, I am going to be watching AUV. It does have very good news. The news on it is Applied UV says independent study data shows potential of disinfecting technology in cleaning or in killing the coronavirus on hard surfaces. The first part of the news was Applied UV announces laboratory results confirm Sterilumen's Lumicide TM ribbon kills SARS-CoV-2 virus, which is what causes the actual sickness. So that was some dope news, and I jumped in real quick for a ride up on that, and we'll see what kind of action we can get into the open. We will see. This one may actually go into halts today, but just got to get back into the uptrend, and I would like it again. Right now, the last bottom was at the 11. I hope it doesn't get back down there. This is the last bottom right there. It's within this range right here on the daily chart from the 1094 up to the 13s. It went up to the 13s and got to the 1314, but didn't quite get up all the way to the top. So definitely going to be careful on it and be looking for some good trades. The first trade that I took is recorded, so it's in the first part of this live stream, and it was recorded. So if you wanted to see that, I pulled off $1.40 to the profit. We have about 5 minutes to the bell. Hopefully this thing doesn't form a head and shoulders, because it may be some resistance at the 1223, 1225 area. Resistance. We'll see. So right now it's in this range from 1105 up to the 1220s. I want to see it get back above into an upward trend. Trying to fight its way back over the 12s. Oh, my bad. My bad. I'm in here talking all this noise. Yeah, but I did I'm guessing you guys can hear me now. That's my fault. My mic was off. But I did plan to get out at the 65 because I knew that 65 break would be heading down to the 50, and a 50 break would be just explosive, which you saw. So we're gonna wait. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're gonna wait and for another chance. If it can get going back up into uptrend, but we will see. And I might start taking pre-market trades, man. I took one today and on some news, and it actually went up quite a bit. So definitely, but this one right here, man, if this thing breaks the 1105, I'm definitely gonna be like, it's gonna have to start holding the 1105, then trying to get back up. What is forward doing? Oh, I don't like that at all. Look at that. Look at that setup right there. I don't like that at all. Not gonna trade that one. We'll just continue to watch AUVI. It's more volatile. We'll see if it can start holding up some levels. Definitely looking for some top side because they've got a lot of COVID news today. Still red on the day though, so what's the high on the daily? The high is the 1215. So it's got to get back across the 1215 and start to hold that level. That's what I'll be looking for. Unless it wants to continue down and break this 11. And this is why I take off quickly, especially under VWAP. You're already playing against shorts. Why get beat down? Go ahead and take off because you're going to end up losing a lot more than you expect. Especially if it pushes through this 1125 again. Let's see, 1120. Yeah, see, look at this. If I didn't sell right here at this 65, I would have been down 50 cents. 50 cents on 5 shares is not a lot, but it's still a loss. Bigger loss than I would have had to take. Forward. But this is the stock that I'm interested in today, even though it's not on my scanner yet. It's just going to have to get going up. Ford, what are you doing, little guy? Your little trash thing. Look at you, trying to get up there. Absolute garbage. Where's the daily resistance here? Have daily resistance at the 373. Trash. I don't even know if it has news today. It might have news. Let's see. Today is hype news. So buzz is just hype news is what is going up on, because this is an atrocious setup right here. You're fighting all kinds of uptrend. I mean downtrend. Yeah, that's not something I'm interested in. We'll see if AUV can find a little bot. Wow. BCTX popping up there on the scanner. BCTX has breast cancer. Now this was the one that I was looking for earlier. Breast cancer technology platform, and they're transferring their technology also to prostate, melanoma, and lung cancers. So that's some pretty nice news. This was the one that I was looking for. All right, we'll see if it can it's already done a move right here, so we'll see if it can get any kind of consolidation up here. It's getting a nice indecision candle. Okay, it's gonna pop off. G-Tech. All these stocks have horrible setups, so I don't know what I want to do with these. G-Tech, I know it doesn't have let's see, online pre-booking services for EVs. That's okay, but these setups are just, these patterns are just not what I look for. So we'll wait for consolidation, because I can't play these games. Nice little pullback there. 336. Can it hold up to 336? 340s, 45. 336 is what we do not want to see break down. 345, 349, 48, 49, 46. It's just playing around in the 40s right now. See if it breaks here, breaks down. I'm looking for a break back into these 30s. We got some hidden sellers down here in the 30s and the 40s. That 44 to the 36, there's some hidden sellers. I mean, not, well, they're hidden positions. It doesn't necessarily have to be sellers. G-Tech still making its way up as well. So Ford is the mover. It's very close to the top here on that daily resistance, so it may get some fading back down. Let's see. There's a little movement down. How big will this movement be down? Getting on up there to the high, touching it again, getting some rejection off of that high there. 68, 66 was the spot. Let's see if it can consolidate. It's the only thing on my scanner right now, so we'll just watch it. If it fails VWAP, then we'll just watch something else, because that trend, I don't want to play the downtrend for real. It's a waste of money. So Ford, G-Tech popping back up there, but G-Tech is going to have to catch up, get some more volume behind it or something. Let's see, G-Tech. Absolute trash. Alright, Ford getting on down there under VWAP, starting to shift into a downtrend. 343. Not liking it. We'll see if it can consolidate within this green candle here. So the bottom of this candle is the 326. Top of this candle is the 364. So we'll draw some resistance. We'll draw some supports down here. Needs to stay in this range, 326. Within this green candle. Alright, G-Tech, what you got going on over here? Has a green candle here. It's going to have to get going up. I'm not going to even play with that. Look at that. You don't know which way it's going. So I'll be patient. Ford trying to hold up. Playing within this range. We'll see where it closes. Can it hold over the 344s and start to consolidate? 345s. What was the news on this one again? Oh, this is just hype news. Okay. Well, let me go bounce back to AUV real quick. We'll see if it can get back green on the day. It did test this bottom here. We'll see. Not really willing to trade it right now with how it's looking. It may actually even form a head and shoulders. It's already got a shoulder here, got a head here. This may be the new shoulder if it gets past there. Or if it gets past VWAP, I mean. But right now it doesn't matter. It's red on the day. Back to forward. Pulling back up there. Okay. Getting some consolidation. 350s. It's looking okay. How many minutes does it have? It has 1 minute left on this candle. See if we can start holding up. Man, I just don't like this. Okay, so this is a gap fill. It already filled the gap. So I'm very nervous about entering here because it already filled the gap. I didn't see that. So I am going to stay away. Stay away. I'll watch it crash because this is a gap fill. It filled the gap, accomplished that, boom. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be crashing this 327 soon. Oh, right when I'm saying it. Never mind. I said soon. I mean now. So not going to take forward. Wait for something to come back up strong. Let's see if it cracks this bottom of this candle. 327. Will it crack it? And there's the crack. Will it fully break it? Or is that just a bounce? I don't know, but I'm not going to mess with it. It's very, very dangerous right there. Alright, let's go look at AUVI again. AUVI did stop on this little level down here. It's slowing down a whole lot. Didn't expect it to slow down that much. It's got 4 million in the float. Already cycled through its float once, but just not looking healthy. 1150 is really giving it problems. And the buying volume is actually ramping down, looks like. Who, time I said it's ramping down, they said, nah, bruh. Nah, bruh. We here. Bounced off of that level. This is a lot of red. I'm not trusting all that red. Even though it bounced off that level, could go very badly under VWAP. Can it hold up the 1141, which is trying to hold right now? Can we see a hold of the 1141? I don't like it. Okay, forward just went off the scanner, so it probably dived. Let's see if it dove. It just went down there and tapped it again, you know. Having a hard time holding the scanner. It'll be back on. Yep, there it is. Too bad though. Just not a good setup. Let's look at G-Tech. Whoo, glad I didn't trade that junk. Look at that dive. Let's see, what was the other one? BCTX. Not just a horrible formation, but definitely slow now that the pattern is messed up. So we'll definitely be watching AUV here. Let this candle close and see what it wants to do. Will it break down the 40s? Nope. Okay. Looks like we're ready to play ball down here. Alright. Still red on the day. Want to see it touch, at least test the 12-15s before I look for entries. Want to see those 12-15s up there. Get back green on the day. Can it hold up the 50s? Nice. Into the 60s, 65. Nice little push. Nice, nice, nice. I just hope it does not form another shoulder here at this resistance level. That'd be horrible. Nice, nice. Getting on up there. I see you. Still not interested, but I see you. Uh-oh, going back and testing the 50. Is going to break the 50. 55s. Okay, back into the 60s. Good. Needs to stay in those 60s. Back to the 50s. 56. It's got to hold up to 42 now. Come on. Or the 45, I mean. I don't know. You see a little bit of red here. And questionable in this area. Getting back down there through the VWAP, so that's another sign of weakness. I'm not going to take any trades right now. I'll wait for some consolidation, maybe in the 40s. If it breaks though into the 30s, it's just not going to look good at all. Let's see what Ford is out here doing. Still being trash. It's going to have to consolidate up there. But it is the only thing on my scanner, so I will watch it. See if it can consolidate any for a move higher. Interesting. Touch the 50. Instant rejection. Can it hold the 42? Is the question. Got about 4 minutes on this candle. Want to see it hold that 42. Bouncing off the 4. Ooh, did not hold that 42. Immediate rejection. That wasn't nice. Okay, challenging the 42 again. Can it get through it? Ooh, 42. Okay, got through it a little bit. Needs to hold that 42. Struggling there. Ooh, 47. That 42 will not. That 42 is struggling, man. Oh, isn't it great not to have your money in there? $42. There it is again. Just will not get its number called. There's 42. Alright. Got about 3 minutes though. Can it hold 42 for 3 minutes? Looking like they want to hold, huh? Still got 3 minutes though. 2 minutes now. Bump over to AUV. See if it's making its way up still or not. Nope. Took the dive. Alright. Well, Ford is the one that I'm going to be watching then. A little bit cheaper stock. Already touched the top once. May not give us a run, but you know, may give us some profit. It is on hype, so you need to be taking your profit quickly. This is not one you need to be holding. Holding and hoping. Still got 2 minutes left. It's running up a whole lot. It can snatch down a whole lot. Got to hold that 42. Got a minute left to hold that 42. It's getting some buying volume. It's very extended. So what's the range of this candle? It went from the 35 up to the 60. So 30-cent moves is what we can expect, possibly. Coming into the close of this minute and 15 seconds. Let's see how it closes. Will it give us any red that stays above the 42? Okay, closing there. Want to see a red move down. Can we get some red in here? There's some red. Needs to hold the 42 though. Alright. Looks like you want to play ball. Can we hold that 42 up? Will it crack the 50 here? Alright. This candle shows me green. Let's see. So it's holding up. Oh, I forgot. This is the beginning of this candle. So we don't know if it's holding up. See if we can hold up that 50. Or will it re-challenge it? Okay, looking like it's holding up. Whew. That is nasty. Quick pop up there. Got a couple minutes left. That was some nice rejection there. Yeah, I don't know about this one. I'm gonna have to see some consolidation. That was, I can't take that. Nah, that's gonna leave a bad taste in my mouth. That movement, just did not look good. Let's see if it breaks the 58. Oh, there's a 58. Finally, okay, can we hold? Well, you gonna stay red? We got 2 minutes left. We would love to see some red to form an uptrend, but it's not giving it to us. Yeah, this is just a sporadic stock. This stock is up on hype. It's getting a little bit of manipulation, so you're gonna have to be careful. I say a little manipulation. It's getting some manipulation. Definitely. Alright, so it is closing up red. Or maybe not. It's got like what, 2 minutes left. Okay, getting down there to the 42 that we wanted to see it hold. Will it break that 42? If it does, I'm gonna lose all faith in it. Will it break the 42 here? Okay. Okay. Got a little bounce there. Okay. We may look for some consolidation here. The way it's moving. It's got 2 minutes left on this candle. It's not looking healthy. Alright, getting a pull up off of that. Starting to hold the 50 as well. I do like it. So I guess it's getting me back in the game. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna take this looking like it's gonna hold up. Let's see if it gives us one more dip. Give us one more dip. Okay, it's looking strong here. Looking strong here. How many minutes we got? Just a little bit of time. Took right there. I'll take out the top quickly if it does go. $50 shares in. Can we get that explosion? Nice. Taking off a little bit there. Very quick. I will be out if it breaks VWAP here. I'm going to start peeling off my position as well. VWAP is a 47. If I see the 47, I'm out. Out there. Not going to play with it. Should have went. Out at the 47. We can always get back in. Closing up in a little bit. This is a choppy one. This is definitely a chopper. Can it hold up to 47 with that topping tail? Was I right to get out there on that 47? Let's see. Let's look at what it does at the 47. $52 holding there. Was I right to go ahead and exit down there is the question. 50s. I don't know yet, but it looks like it's holding up a little bit. Let's stay above that 47. It's very close. Well, I can take off my scuba gear because I was right. Yeah, so good exit right there. Just stuck to the plan. All right, let's see what this is. MTSL went into a halt, bouncing down. What's the news on this one? Okay. Let's go and look this up. It is not something that is holding my scanner very well, but I'll see MTSL. MTSL looking like a float of 3.23 at Yahoo Finance, 2.80 at Finviz. MTSL with a shelf registration from 2020. So float 4.73. Okay, so about 3 to 5 million shares in the float. So I put that in my notes. If I can add a note to this. So 3 to 5 mil shelf 2020, and I'll save that there. I can move that right here. Move that right here. Okay. All right. Nothing is holding up the scanner. Still have about 3K to trade. Just waiting. Ford. Look at Ford. So was I right or was I right though? This is a diving stock, man. This is a very, very choppy day. You need to be absolutely careful in this one. Not playing any games out here. This is a very choppy day. ALF trash. It's the one I made money on yesterday. Not gonna go back to it. AUV, how are we looking over here? Trash. So is anything gonna be able to hold the scanner? All I'm seeing is failures so far. This drop was from the 357 down to the 316, so a 40-cent drop. I'm really expecting AUVI or BCTX to give us some moves back to the upside. They're the only ones that actually had good news surrounding the breast cancer platform technology, and then AUV with the COVID cleaning materials or whatever. So I'm definitely gonna be watching those two on the day for more trades. But they got a lot of work to do, especially look at this daily chart. Look how far it dropped from the 13 all the way down to the almost into the $9 range. So if we look at the previous history, you know, it has had some nice drops. BCTX. Anyway, better safe than sorry. If you guys took any trades on those stocks, let me know in the chat, and let me know if you see anything that I don't see. We can go and check it out, because my scanner is literally set for my specific criteria. And nothing else will show up. Also, at the end of the day yesterday, what was the stock I was trading yesterday? ALF. End of the day, going into the aftermarket, it continued to go up, and I took yeah, it's super choppy. I took a trade aftermarket for the first time on Charles Schwab, and you know Charles Schwab or Street Smart Edge, so quick with the fills in the aftermarket, and I made some money even in the aftermarket. I think it went from, it was at 7, it was at 6 something. Let me look. ALF. Holy gosh. Alright, it's only up. I mean, it's into a halt, but it's not volatile, so I still wouldn't, I'll be very careful trading that one. But this is where I took my trades aftermarket, or into the aftermarket right here. Took this break right here of the 667, and I took profit somewhere up in here. I don't remember where it was, but it was somewhere in there, and then it kind of faded off, and I just stopped trading it. And then I came back and looked, and it actually went up here to the 750s, and then came out way down there. So I'm not interested in it. Even though it's in a halt, it's definitely going to have to get more volatile for me on the day, because I'm not into trading a stock that's moving like this. What's the range on this one? 625, 630 up to the 7. So that's that's about a 60-cent move. That's pretty good. That is pretty good, but right now we'll be buying the top. I'm not interested in that. But we can watch it come out of the halt just to give us something to watch. Let's see what time it's supposed to be coming out of the halt. ALF coming out of the halt at 10:04. So it halted at 10:04.52. It should be opening at 10:09.52. Do I want to try a small share dip trade here? TRCH, nice chart, higher float though. Okay, so this one's open up at 9:54. After this one opens, I'm gonna see what kind of action it gives. I might play small on ALF right quick and just see if I can take a quick little, see how high it opens up. It's gonna be opening up at the 54 here. 52, I mean. 52. Let's see what it'll give us. I know the shorts are going to be packing in on it. Here we go. Okay, can it give us a dip? Oh, gee whiz. Up, give us a dip. Ooh, this thing might not dip. Come on, give us that dip. Pop back over to 25, taking there. In there, can it give us taking profit? Taking profit. All out. And now I am in a short position for some reason, which I need to buy out of. Oh, come on, baby. So I need to buy there. Oh, man, I can't even get out of my short position. Come on, man. Okay, back out of my short position. I just added to it. And I'm just going to close everything right here. Yeah. All right, good. That was a very quick little short. But I had to get out of that position. See if we can continue to play here. 60s. Okay. Getting a little held up right there. Yeah, super dangerous. Oh, crap. Super dangerous. All right, let's see if we can. I might wait for a pullback here. It may actually even come up on the scanner, to be honest. This is a monster. Oh my gosh, why did I get out? Oh my goodness, this thing's a monster. Ooh. Hopping in. Let's see, where can we hop in? Man, I'm not touching this. I can't take an entry here. How? It's up on the scanner now. So it is up on the scanner, so we can just wait for it to consolidate. I'm not gonna. I played small on that first one, made a little bit, but you know, I'm glad I got out of that short position now. I am glad of that. Oh, is this thing back in a halt? Yep. So we'll wait for it to open. Now it should be coming back on that scan. There it is. All right, so we're ready. We're ready for it. If it wants to give us a dip again, halted again. So this is looking like the one. AF it or ALF needs to. I need to refresh this page to see what the new halt time is. Okay, 10:12:25 should be opening up in 5 minutes, which would give us 10:17:25. 10:17:25, and I'm gonna be waiting. I'm gonna be waiting for this one. I'm ready for this one, boys. Definitely. This thing is live, man. I took a very small position size and took profit very quickly because I was expecting the rip down because it just went red to green and it jumped from 0 on the day to up 20.66%. So very, very volatile. 20% move. I mean 20% move. Very volatile right there. But I will be playing that dip. We're gonna see how high it opens. Exciting. Getting my blood pumping. Or either about to blow a vessel. Alright. So 17:12. We got 3 minutes, man. Whew, AUV, I just absolutely trash. And this is why I stick to trading things that are on my scanner. Even though ALF was not on my scanner, it would have made it to the scanner, and I would have seen it right here instead of taking that trade down here. But still, at least we know. At least we know. I am going to run to the restroom really quick because I do not want to. It kind of makes me anxious when I have to use the restroom and trade. All right, all right, all right. Back. Got 2 minutes, 1 minute. Let's get it going. Ready to play ball. Already green on the day. Don't want to be going red here. So want to stay safe. Want to see it open higher possibly and give us a nice dip down. That'll be so good. If it opens at the same level, I might not take the trade though. If it opens at the same level, it's got to open higher. $17.12 coming up. Okay. Did I get the time wrong? Nope. Oh, there it is. Same place. Don't know if I want to take that trade. Big topping tail. Staying away from it for right now. Not interested. So I let it consolidate here. Even if it goes higher, it'll just go without me. I can't play that game. Should have opened higher. I'll wait for some consolidation here. Not gonna play that game. Nope. Not gonna play that game. The market is all about staying alive. You gotta stay alive. So if it doesn't meet my criteria, I'd rather be safe than sorry. See how far it pulls down. Will it break that 8? Getting back up there. That top and tail is ridiculous. Let's see how this one closes. Can't even hold my scanner. Looking like it's snapping through that 8. Coming on down, giving us a nice little revisit to the bottom before it tries again for the top. What is the top up here? The top looks to be the high of the 922. So we'll put a resistance there. And on the daily chart, let's look. Well, it's all-time highs. There's nothing. This is the all-time highs here. So let it consolidate. Let it consolidate. That was a big move up, but so quick. I would have lost a lot of money right there with the share size that I was about to take. So just waiting it out. I do like it though. It's still in the upward trend, but it's going to have to get some consolidation. So is this the range here at the 782? Will it stay in this little range here, or will it crack this bottom right here? It's about a $2 range almost. See what it wants to do. That thing went from 0 on the day. Red to green move up 20%, which was insane. And now it's not even on my scanner. Complete insanity. So this is not a, well, we'll see if it can hold up there before I delete it. It's a nice move though. If anybody got that quick topping tail, you know, if you were brave enough to take that trade and take profit quick enough, let us know in the chat, because I know I wasn't. It's not quick enough for that. And it went, when it opened up, it went from the 845 up to the 925. That's a pretty nice gain if you are very, very quick. See a ramping down in the selling volume here, letting it consolidate a bit. I like that it's trying to hold up that 8. So let's get ready to play ball here. 785 is looking like it's going to have to be my all-out point. I will let this candle close though. If it goes green, it's going to mess up my strat. It needs to close red. Well, messing up the strat. Got us close red here. Got 2 minutes left. It's just not giving me what I want. Let's see, can it close red? $8. Okay. Looking like we're gonna close red here. Come on, don't go. Stay red just a bit longer. Just a bit, just 1 minute longer, please. Yes, yes. That's what I want to see. About to close this candle in 30 seconds. Okay, about to close it. Stay red, man. Chill. Stay red. All right, there we go. There we go. Now we got a nice little wow. Got back to the bottom quick, didn't it? Glad I waited. Gee whiz. We'll see if we can hold up that level. Wow. I had a whole plan. It just blew it up. So now I can look for trades here. Bino, very low volume. News is probably trash. Holdings launches an Amazon storefront. Ugh. I mean, I'm just gonna wait for more volume to come into that one. I'm going to focus in over here for right now. Can we get back into the 90s here? And I can use this bottom as my all out. So it'll be 30 cents. Let's see. Big selling bars, but none of them reach the green bar up there. Let's see if we can break the 75. Broke the 75 there. Getting some nice testing going on here. 739 is the VWAP, and it's bouncing back above that 75. Let's see if we can get a hold on the 75. Be nice. Get some buyers right there. Okay. Can we get back into the 80s? 81. Love to see those 80s, and I'll be probably looking to enter. We'll have to see. Depends on the action. Okay, there's the 80s. Just can't hold them. See if it goes back below the 75 there. Bouncing back through. Will it break down that bottom? Can we get back over the 75? 2 minutes left on this candle. Wow. All the way back down under 10%. That's crazy. Alright, Bino also made a huge move down. Popped off the scanner. Not strong enough. What was the one I was just looking at? ALF. All right, ALF. Okay. Can we get back within the range of the 85? Can we see the 85s here? I'll use the bottom of this candle as my all out. Wow, couldn't even get the 85s there. Don't want to get caught in a dead cat bounce here, so I'm gonna wait. Need to see a break and hold of the 810s now on this candle. Not gonna take it. 810 is what I need to see. Eight tens. Can we get it? 810s. Very small buying volume. Not too sure about it. Okay. Okay, 806. Entering there. I'll be out at the bottom of this. What is this? This high, this low of the 770s. I'll be out. 770s. 769. 25 shares. So if it can't push here, I will be. Oh, this one isn't taking outs or stops. Shows me any red, I'm gonna have to be out of this one. Can we get that push? Can we get that push out of here? 11s. There's a little bit of buying volume, but not a lot. Yeah, it shows me red. I gotta be out of here. Getting very heavy at the 8s. Can we get bought up or will it go red? I don't know what it wants to do here. At it right there as well. We'll be all out at the bottom of this. 75 shares, 769. Be all out. Looking for it to push that top. Oh, come on, man. Don't go red on me. Come on, get those shorts out of there. Eights. Come on. Those eights back on there. Okay. Wow. Got through. Come on, let's get a hold. Any red, I'm gonna have to get out. Get back over those eights or out. Can it get bought over the 96s? Can we see the 96s, 95s? Come on. Saw the 96 quick. May have to exit this one. Any red. We got just a little bit left on this candle. Wanted to see it break that 96. Not seeing it. Can we get going upward? If so, I'm definitely going to peel off up to the upside. Yeah, if it breaks the bottom, I'm out. Can we get any green here? Go ahead and get out right there. Cut that loss. Cut that loss right there. I'm not even going to give it time to slam down on me. Over here on the 15 minute, looks like it's about to go down hard. Getting a little bit of a bounce there. Of course, I can enter another position. Forward. ALF, I had to just felt nervous right there. Didn't like it. Maybe it still goes, but see if we can start holding that 795 area. $7.95s. $7.95. Can we get it? $7.95. I will be ready to enter again at the $7.95s. It's looking weaker and weaker here. $7.95. Can we see it? 80s. Can we see a hold of the 95s there? Nice rejection right off of that. Very, very nervous one right here. Just had to exit on that. It had this big buying volume, but all of a sudden it just slowed down. Can we get any green up here to the 95? 84s, 81s. There's 2 minutes left on this candle. Just not looking good. Breaking the 70s. I don't like any of that news. Got down there and touched the 5-minute 9, so the 757. Maybe it can hold that up, but I'm not sure. All I know is I didn't want to lose $100 today. See if we can get back over the 75 and start to hold. $9.38. This 15-minute bar needs to go back green. Doing a lot of testing of this bottom, the low of the 750s. Can we start holding up that 75? Let me see how much I lost on that 75 shares. 31 cents on 75 shares. 31 cents. Looking like it wants to crack down, man. I don't even know where this is coming from. Oh, right here. All right. Can we start holding up that 75? Can we get back green on this 15-minute candle? $75's there. Tap the 75s. We need to see a hold of the 75s. 75 is just rejected. Okay, 75s. Can we get the 85s? Trying to hold up the 75. 75 still being seen on the bid. Not disappearing. 74s. Back into the 80s. Can we see it? Staying around the 75 right now. And we see those 80s come back in there. Okay. Having a little trouble. Going back red on the 15-minute chart. Three minutes left on this candle. See if it fails the 70. Gotta get back over that 75, man. Stop playing. This stock is just ridiculous. I saw it pop back up there. I was like, yeah, too poppy right there. I want to see us start holding that 75. That's what we want to see. 79s. Entered there. Any red on this one, I'm all out. See a little bit of strength right there. Let's see if we can continue. Any red here, I'm out. Can we get that push up through there? Wow. Any red, I gotta be gone on the 5 minute. Push to those 90s, baby. Sixes. Oh my goodness. Come on, man. Wow. Don't show me the red. Can we get back into the 80s or not? Okay, a little bit of buying, but if it breaks the bottom, that 51, I'm gonna have to get out. 75s. Come on, give us a good try. Wow. Can it go back green? Any? Come on, give us a little bit of green. Not pulling up. All out right there. Can't believe that didn't turn around right there. Oh well. Got another one here. What was the news on this one? Holding storefront, Amazon storefront. Wow. Can't believe that thing failed out. I guess I did break a rule by trading something that wasn't on the scanner, but didn't expect that. Alright, so it's made a move, did a pullback above VWAP. It's looking okay. Has room down to the 69. Man, I didn't expect that thing to fail out like that. Oh well. Gonna push back through VWAP. Hate taking bad trades, especially when I'm green on the day and then I go red big. I think I'm down 43 bucks. 43 buckaroos, man. Alright. Let's see if this thing can get a pull. It's trying to get back on the scanner. Trying to stay above VWAP as well. VWAP is at the 87. We can see it over 5. I'll look for an entry. Just insanity. What's the volume on this one? Oh boy, not that much volume here. Forward popping back up there again. Just cannot seem to stay up. What was the other one? ALF. How far did it go down? Went down a pretty good ways. I'm gonna leave it alone. It's about to do a green to red move. Forward. Man, I hate taking trades like that, and it was only because of a broken rule. I shouldn't have been trading ALF anyway. Oh well. Can anything give us moves? This one's just sitting here looking. If I can see it over 5, I would definitely be looking for entries. I have not researched this. I don't know what's going on with it, Vino. Alright, Vino. Float is 6.62. Man. Broke a rule and paid the price. 6.50. There's got to be a reason it's not getting that much. No shelf registrations. Okay. That's interesting. See if we can get over the 5. Nope. Not looking good right there. Forward trying to get back up there. Okay, while I'm waiting, Vino had a float of 6.50, and so it's not even through his float once. $6.50, no shelf. Horrible, horrible day. Horrible day right there. But still, there are opportunities, so we'll see what the rest of the day brings. Got $1,600 left to trade. Yesterday, I only spent $500 to make the 40. Today, I've spent a lot more. But these are choppy stocks, man. That's how they can do you sometimes. I wonder, can this one retest the top if it passes VWAP? Will people be interested to push it back to the top? Because from here, it's a 40 cents. That's a 20-cent move. But the volume has almost completely dried up on it. One Life, have you taken any trades yet? Mm, mm, mm. Are you serious though? Are we really serious out here? I looked at this thing 100 times. Alright, I have to wait for a pullback. I looked at this thing 100 times. I was like, just holding right there. That volume's got to pick up on it. Tell me it's not in a halt. Please tell me it's not going into a halt. Please. All right. This thing has no volume to hold up. The news on it is the Amazon storefront. So we'll see out of the open how many people buy on that dip. But not looking good. The daily chart resistance is at the 547, which is where it's at now. It's got to open up higher, put that resistance up there. We'll see what it can do. It also has a 200 moving average up here at the 620. So 620 may become resistance as well. We'll just have to see. All right, let me this is a $5 stock, so the time it halted 10:54:16. So we'll be looking for 10:59:16. 10:59:16. But it's the only thing above VWAP and the only thing that's tradable right now. So we'll keep our eye on it. I don't know, man. Today has been a rough one. Even if I can make some of my profits back, it'll be good. It'll be straight. I knew that was good news, the Amazon news, but this setup was kind of throwing me, and it sat here for like I don't know how many seconds, and it could have easily did this to the move to the short side rather than the up. So I was like, I don't know what it's gonna do, but I'm not going to be there to catch a knife. Have about 3 minutes. 59:16. So 30%. Get my head back right. Matter of fact, I got 3 minutes. Let me go in. Grab me something real quick. All right. See what we got here on Bino. $59.16. What's up, Daniel B? Let's see how this thing pulls back. Can we get a little dip? 59.16 is what we're looking for on the time. $16. If it opens up higher, I will be inclined to take a position. If not, just cut it. There it is. There's the open. Can we get a dip? Give us a little bit of a dip down. It's a little bit more red. Come on, give us that dip. There we go. Okay, nice. Can we get that 65 up there? 65s down to the 50s again. Nice pop. Looking for the 65s. In there. See if we can get a move up. Nice. 100 shares in. We're gonna make a little bit of money back. Took off 25. Took off 25 more. Still in 50 shares. Took off 25 at the top right there. Reducing my little losing day, basically. Took off 25 more right there. 20 shares left. Taking some more off. Not trusting it. Taking all off right there. Alright, reduce my I reduced the risk, my loss on the day a little bit. I think I was down 40 something dollars. It may be 20 now, $28. So made 20 bucks back right there. Let it consolidate real quick. Still got 1 grand to trade. We'll see if it gives us some more opportunity. I don't know, man. I don't even know. See if we can consolidate, give us another run up. Because I'm still definitely interested, especially if we can start pushing these 70s. That is a nice topping tail right there. So I don't want to get blown out here. Will it break the 50s? Broke the 50s right there. VWAP is at the 530. Will it break the 530? Bouncing off the 530. We're going to have to let this whole candle close. But I am glad that I reduced that loss. So from $40 down to $20 down is nice. DB has been writing more scriptures in his Bible. Let me know when you add those new books. All right, Vino going down, going down. Will it hold up? Doing a nice little pull down under the high of the day. So under this 5, I don't know what that price is. I think it's, what's the high of this? High of 545 is where it bounced off of. Actually, it went up and almost got the, did it get the 200 moving average? Let me change this so I can put that in there. Show price lines, range watermark. Okay. Okay, there we are. All right. Now I'll hit OK. Okay, so yeah, it got close to the 200 moving average. I didn't even realize how close it was, but yeah, it was super close, and I went ahead and took off up there. So I guess that was a good move. Spoil lines. Spoilness? Dang B, what did you mean to say right there? Spoil, is that a word? Spoilnes. Let me look that up. Spoilnes. I don't know what you're trying to say there. Oh, he's spoiled. Gotcha. I think Vino may be done for the day. It did get me out of the hole a little bit. Today was very choppy at the open. I mean, it was just ridiculously choppy. And so, I mean, if you see, this is all that I could get off of that. And now look at it, all the way down here under here. So, just not good, man. Let's go and look at some of the other stuff that was moving today. Ford did go ahead and fell back off. AFL did go ahead. I was so surprised AFL didn't bounce here, but I had to get out of that one. Make him eat nothing. BCTX. Everything's just not looking good today. You know, VN. Super down. So yeah, might have to close up the day with another $20 loss. Made 40 yesterday. Oh man. Well, at least both of my losing days this week have been covered, so it's not super horrible. But I definitely don't see anything that's gonna. I'm gonna close it up at 10:30 today, just to give these choppy stocks a little bit of chance to become something that's tradable. But I'm gonna take what I got and get out of here. You know, I was almost down $50, so I was almost down to my max loss, but reeled it back in a little bit. Eton, yeah. Let's see, Eton. Yeah, Eton not looking too hot. I don't know. Everything, penny stocks, the SPY, everything but the composite is down. And I don't even know why the composite is up. The SPY almost looks like it's going flat on the 15-minute. Just a lot of trash today. Okay. G-Tech. Wow, G-Tech faded, man. So glad some of these I'm so glad I did not hold today. It would have been so bad. BCTX. Trash. MTST. Is anything gonna be in an uptrend today? Anything? BCTX is the only thing that looks like it can get into an uptrend, but it's gonna have to actually start putting the work in to get there. But I do like it if it can get up. OBLN. Everything we were watching from this morning has faded except BCTX. So I may end up just watching this one, see if it can get above and start to change its trend to an upward trend. But I am going to wait for it to hit my scanner. I'm not going to play that game anymore. I want it to hit my scanner, be strong. It's only 5% away and it should pop in. Gotta break that 7. What was the news? Oh, this one was a cancer one. Breast cancer platform technology. Okay, yeah. This is the one I watched then. Wait for it to pop on my scanner real quick. Can it break the 7? Start to consolidate and get into a more of an upward trend. Start to respect the VWAP. So we have a little bit of a top here at the 720s that is continued to hit and fail. So there may be some resistance, 720. But it looks like every time it bounced off of the 720, it's gotten closer and closer. And it's getting tighter and tighter to that 720. So that looks kind of good. We'll see if we can break this 7 real quick. 704. Let's see. We'll draw support up here. Breaking the 7. Want to see it consolidate. It was a little bit of consolidation. Looking like it wants to break the 7. Don't see anything coming up that's 96 or anything on the bid. Want to see some 96s there. There's a 96. Man, this may be a chopper as well. If you look at the previous action, how big was this drop? From the 673, 740 all the way down to 673, which it held multiple times down here. So here's a support as well down there. But anyway, getting ready to trade this one. I believe it can break that top. Looking for a little bit of a pullback here. Got to hold above that 698. A nice little area here. Let's see. So we had support down here form right there. And I want to see it get above this and start supporting itself right here as well to kind of test that 720 again. 720 just not wanting to break here, but it's been tested 1, 2, 3 times, so 4 times the charm maybe. But I do like it. If I get in now, I could actually get out at the 686 down there. Will be my spot to get out, so that's what I'm probably going to be looking to do. We have a couple of minutes left on this one. Trying to see if we can hold up that 698. A lot of buying going through right there. Can we even crack the 704? That's what I would love to see. See if it gives us some red here. Give us a little bit of a dip. Little bit of a dip. Don't want to see you just go right here. Nice. Getting down there to that. Wow. Okay. Crack the VWAP a little bit. Can it hold up the 7? Still not on my scanner yet. Getting close though. Sellers coming back in there. Will they push it back under the 698? Bouncing off the 698 again. Really would like to see this thing on my scanner. A lot of action at the 702s. I don't know if it's short or buying action. It must be buying. Cracked it just ever so slightly. Okay, what's the top side of this? High is a 705. 706. I don't know. It's kind of slow right here, isn't it? Expecting it just to go, but I guess I'll wait a little bit more then. Not gonna try to play that game. 704s. There's the 5s right there. Okay. It's looking okay, but we really don't know. That was a very slow push out. See if it can consolidate. Very slow push out right there. Must have been a huge seller right there at that level. 705. But now we'll see if it can stay above this level right here. Woo! Come on now. Taking souls out here. Wow. That was nasty. 694 is where it's sitting. We'll see if it can consolidate. That move down right there. Wow. That move down, man. Taking a lot of confidence out of this for me. but it is making a higher low. So this low right here is 688. That was a crazy move down. See a little bit of consolidation through here. Was not able to make it all the way up there this time. So it's 713. 713. Be looking for it. 713. Wow, wow, wow. Got all the way up there and look at it now. Wow, Bino halted going down. AUV still scuba diving. G-Tech still scuba diving. So pretty much everything we watched from this this morning is scuba diving right now. Where is the one I was just forward? Yeah, today was super choppy. Daniel B, One Life, I don't know if he even traded today. Because today was so choppy. Like, I'm walking away with just a small red day beat. I mean, just because of luck, really. That little halt gave me about $20 back, but today has been so choppy. So choppy. We'll see if this thing can stay within this range here. Inside this red candle. 684 up to the bottom. Wow. Already challenging that 684 quickly. I want to see it back above the 693. And I don't know if it's going to be able to give that to us today. Not a lot of buying pressure coming in here. So it's tested this point right here a couple of times. 1, 2, 3 times. Let's see if it forms a higher low than that and starts to get back up here to the top. Still green on the day, so there is hope. But the market is not for hope. We need a strategy and a plan. So what happens when it aligns with our plan? We execute. If it doesn't go our way, we manage risk. I want to see that 98 break. Can we get some buying in here? Hidden seller at the 82, or hidden position at the 82. I always say hidden seller. Could be a buyer. Oh boy, I tell you what. Nice little consolidation in this range. Did hold up higher than the previous low right there. We'll see if it continues to move up. So put another support level right here. It's gonna have to move up through that 698. Can we get any motion up through that 98? Seeing a lot of 86s, so it can definitely drop down to the 86 here. 87s, 90s popping up there. Should be going green. 92. Back to the 90s. Can we get that pop over the 98? It's 8 cents. Come on now. You got this. Okay. Okay. So can we get through the 98? Looking for it to pop through. There's a 98. Start to hold that 98 is what we want to see. If it's going to give us red, it just needs to stay above this 681. Let me go look at AFL real quick. What the heck? Wait. Oh, I typed it in wrong. ALF. I was like, what? Yeah, I'm not too interested in that one. That one looks like it's a killer. But BCTX though, it's kind of flatlining, but it's still got this upward trend going for it. Love to see it start holding that 98 up. Start pushing up here into the 7s, 704. Be nice to see. Come on. Come on. Stay above the 681. If you're gonna go red, stay above it. High is a 713 over here. Will it break the 90s? Watching very hard. Holding up the 90s. Can we get back over the 95s? Got to stay above that 81. If it starts cracking the 81, it may dive for the day. Let's go look at ALF. Trying to get back up. Got down to that 668 right there. Kind of bounced back up. Okay, so I do like this one. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one. I do like this one because it's pulling back up. Stay within the body of this candle. If it can go green, I'll definitely be in. Or if it can push green is what I mean. We can stay in the 90s. Starting to slow down too much. It's only 300 shares traded. I can't play that game. Cannot play that game with it. BCTX. Getting up there to the VWAP. Getting some very skinny candles right at the VWAP. Let's see if it gets rejected. 963, 100 shares left, or 693, 100 shares left. So you bought in here. Nice. I actually had that marked off as a level, but I wasn't looking at this one. So may get some nice rejection. We'll see what it wants to do. Yep, there's the rejection off the VWAP. Back through the 744. Hit it down. Let's see, where was I? BCTX. Still tight. Want to see it above that 698. Okay. Can we break the 81 down here so I can stop looking at it? Can we get some consolidation in here possibly? Looks good though. Looks good all around. Wait for a little bit of consolidation at this 763. See if it can hold up that 744 that it's trying to hold right now. And I look for more red for an entry. CTX. Finally. Boy, I tell you what, this thing took forever. Let's get a push through that 97. 97s. Be out at the 81. Because I think it can definitely test the highs again. See if it gets rejected off this 97. If so, yeah, a little bit of rejection. Not much. It did break the top. So I let this candle close before I make any decisions. Trying to hold up that 97 right now. Touching the 7s. There's a 702. Okay. That's what I wanted to see, buddy. That's what I like to see. 790 is where I'll get out. 690 is where I'll get out. Let me see. Is this in a trend? Yeah, it's ready to go. Looking for the pullback. It's finally holding up the 697. But let's see if it holds up the 7. Okay, this one's getting monstrous. Need to see a pullback right here. All right. This one looks like it's ready to challenge the top. I'm definitely not buying here. I wanted to buy in here, but I just was not sure about it. So we'll put 698 down here, and we'll see if we can get a test on it, or maybe not. 698 right there. See if we can get a test right there. On the 15-minute, it's trying to hold up this level of the 705. 705 right there. Put that as support as well. It can hold that up. I may be looking for entries. 705s right there. See if it drops below it. I see the 4s on the bid, so a lot of action right in that level. I do like it now. Let's see if we can get some red. How much red can we get? Down to the 699. I want to see it back over this 7. I don't know where I want to enter. But I do like the motion above the 7. Let's see if it can hold up the 7. Because it did break down the 704. And it went down there and touched that 698. Okay, can we get the 704s there? I may have to wait. Oh, it's not on my scanner yet. What am I doing? Let's let this thing get strong. $704s. It's getting up there to the so that was an entry spot, huh? Yep. Alright, so now we're above that 713, so we're actually breaking over. Let's see then. I like it. Let's see if we can pull back and test the 710s. 710 right there. I like it. It's staying in the 10s, but it's not moving out much. Slam back through the 10. I'm taking my finger off the buy button with this kind of action. See if some consolidation comes. Got to get some consolidation here with that kind of snapping. Don't want to get butchered. So looking for it to hold over the 698 again. Okay. Definitely holding there. My out will be right here at the 698. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get in there, and I'll put my out at under the 698, 697 level. If it wants to push, go ahead and push. If not, I'll be out. Can we get a push up? Now it's getting snaps to the top side. I need to see the break of the 710s here. Seven tens. There's a little pop right there. Can we get back green on the day here? We don't know. I'm at the bottom of this igniting candle. In with 100 shares, only up 11 bucks right now, so I'm gonna be patient. Let's see if we can get back green on the day. This move. BCTX up there, sitting at the bottom of this candle. A nice little push out. Wants to crash all the way down, then I'll just be out. See if it can get bought up here. The daily resistance is up there at the 762. So definitely be looking to take something off right there. Top side of this got some resistance up here at the 727s. So we got resistance here, and let's see, do we have any more resistance? Got a little bit of resistance everywhere. See if it can start getting bought up here, maybe, possibly. Give me a smaller red day. As of right now, I'm down 18 bucks. I just need a little pop on these 100 shares and I'll be straight. It's not updating my, there it is, 16 bucks now. Let's see where this 100 shares takes me. This will be the new, actually, I don't even know if I want to make this the new out. 715. We'll see. Should be getting bought up here as well. Now that wick right there I can probably use as an out. Ooh, come on now. Can we stay above that 698? Wow, come on now. This thing may actually stop me out here. Pulling back up to the 711s. Praise the Lord. Oh my goodness. Thing had me sweating bullets for a minute. I know y'all can't hear it, but I got a bucket beside me that catches all the bullets I sweat. Can we see the 12s back up there? There's the 12s. Alright, One Life. Catch you later. Can we see the 14s? Seeing the 12s right now. Can we see the 14s get in there? We see 14s really quick, but didn't see them on the bid. '17s. So yeah, this bottom candle will have to be my out. 706. Can we see the 15s? Seeing the 15s a little bit. Getting bought up there. Definitely this is my out. So let's see. Low of 706. Let's see if we can get going. If we can push through this right here, the 20, I think we should see a nice move up, but we gotta see the 15s and the 17s come up heavy, looking like it's preparing to drop. See if the buyers come in. 17s. Gotta get the 18s there. Okay. All right. So if we can push up, I will move this bottom low 706, low of the 706 up there. Yeah, there we go. So $7 break, they'll be losing 11 cents on these shares. $7 break. Can we break the 25 here? Please break that 25. That's what we want to see. We can get through that $quarter level, it's gonna be a nice ride. 20s. Break the 20s. Can we get back into the 20s? There's a nice buyer right there. Need to break the 25s here. Okay, so $7 breakdown. I'm gonna have to get out there. Cannot play with it anymore. 20 bucks. So I am currently down $2. Nice. Get ready to take some profit here. Looks like I'm almost green on the day. Getting a nice little snatch back right there. 706. I'm gonna have to be out. Let's see if we can push up just a little bit to the 40s. That would be a nice little stint. Holding over the highs here. The high is a 729. Trying to get shorted right there. Popping back up there, pushing those short side there. Looking for the move back into the 31. I want to see the 31. If we can see the 31, it may continue to push. What's the bottom of this candle? The bottom of this candle is the low of the 717. Whew. Come on, baby. 20s. Got to hold up the 25s here. 24.99. Can we see the 23s? Can we see the 23s here? Ooh, heavy, heavy, heavy. 701. Uh-oh. Might stop me here. Gotta hold up the 21. Gotta get back past the 21. That's like the spot. $21 is the spot. Can it blow through 21? 15s in there. 20s, 21, but I'm not seeing it on the bid. We got to see the 20s on there. It is. Nice. All right, so this low here is a 711. It's my out. Looking like it's going to have to be. Can we get a push? 10s. Can we get a pop up? We see the 20s there. 15s. Just stop out, break even here. What's the bottom of this? Bottom is the low of the 706. It's risking just a bit on these shares. Want to see if it can continue, but we got to break that 25. We got to break the 25. There's no way to go higher without breaking that. Just giving it a little bit of time. as low as a 711. So it looks like I'm gonna have to get on down. All right, 706, 705. I'll be getting out at the 705 here. I can't play with it. That's a 6 cent loss, $6 loss. I'm okay with that right now. Love to see some action upward. If we can't get it, that's okay. Can we get that 15? There's some 15s, but I think those are sales coming in. Yep. Well, maybe looking a little bad here. We're almost green on the day. But I don't know, man. This is one of those that you really can't negotiate with. It's like, can it go green? Selling pressure is looking quite iffy right now. Let's see if we can get back over the 17s on the bid. I see the 16s right now. There's a 17. Can we see there's a little stack of 17s right there? Maybe a short position though. Can we get any more push out? Okay. Almost. Let's see if it can get me. Can it pull back up to the 12s at least? 12s, 13s. Not a lot of volume right there on the buying side. Not a lot of selling either. So it may be an indecision candle coming. Can we see those 16s real quick? Get any movement up. 16s. Okay, so yeah, 711 is looking like my all out. If it can push up, I will put it at the 711 for a break even trade. If not, I'll just be stopped out at the 706 very quickly. It literally just needs to get up to the 17, but I don't think it has the strength. Doesn't look like it. That was a double bottom though. So low 711, 711. If it can push out of this, I will move it up to 711. I'm not trusting it. Seven 11. Can we get those buyers in there? Can we get any green here? 14s. It's easing up there. There we go. A little bit of pop. Can we stay above the 711 though? It's a little bit of pop. I don't know. Could not break into the 20s there. See the 19s, 18s. I want to see it push out and then I'll move it to the 711 for a break-even trade. There it is. Okay. So that's what I wanted to see. I'll go ahead and put my stop in there. If it comes back down, I will be out. I will be taking over the top though. Here we go. Nice, nice. So 7-11, get a nice little push up there. Can we push into those 30s? $7.11 all out. That'll be a break-even trade. Can we get any push up through the 25? Can we see the 26? Can we get a break of the 27? Be a sporadic stop. Get through that 27. Okay. If it stops me out, it's all good. I'll just be stopped out. This will be the new low though. If it can push through this high of the 30, this will be the new low of the 17.18. 17.18 there. Looking to see if it can push it. Yep. Alright, nice. So if that fails, then it'll still be a green trade, but I want to see a little bit more than that. To the 30s, can we get a push through there? 30s. Buying volume is on a ramp down. Come on, break that 30. There we go. Alright, let's get ready to take some profit into the green. We're sitting at the bottom of this igniting candle. There we go. Nice, nice. Am I green on the day yet? Almost. Almost. Vamonos. Okay, there's some green. Alright. Is that all you got? Can we push the 50? Sitting at the bottom of this candle. I will be taking if it pushes out any more. Looking for the break of the 50 for a profit, first profit target. Whew. Okay. Well, that didn't go as planned, did it? See if you can continue to push through that 40. It's a nice little move though. Can we get back over the 30s? See the 30s here? There's the 30s. Boy, it's going to take some patience in this one. This one's definitely a crazy mover. But I can't let it take all the profit back though. See if it gets back over the 35s, 33s, 32s. Okay, this one has 3 minutes left on this candle. Can we see those 35s there? 31. I want to see the 35s. Can we see them? Can we see the 31s here? I want to see those 31s get bought up. There we go. Alright. Back in the whip. Can we get up to the 50s? We see the 35s. Can we break the 35s and get to the 50s? Come on, man. 33, 34s. There we go, 35s. Can we get some big buyers in there to get us through that 50? I'll take off 50 up there at the 50. Just to lock in, because I can't really play with this one a lot. It's about to close this candle as well. yeah, not looking good right there. It's gonna have to stay up here. About to close the candle. 10 seconds left on this candle. Love to see it stay above the 35. Should be opening a new candle now. Okay. If it goes red, it'll just stop me out. If it can get up towards the 35, I would be so grateful. Wow, that held a long time. 32s, can we see the 32s up there? Can we see 31s? Can we see 32s? Get through the 32s. There we go. 35s, can we see them? Okay. There we go. Nice. Can we get that 50? Can we get that move through the 50? And matter of fact, I'll sell 50 at the bottom of this. This low is a 730. 730, I will sell 50 there if it fails that. Or maybe I'll just take off the top. Okay. Taking. There we go. Taking 50 off right there, down to 40 shares, reducing my my days loss. 40s. Can we get back into the 40s? Take a little bit there, it's starting to slow down. 30s. Taking off some there. Okay, starting to slow down quite a bit. I think I've reduced my loss enough on today anyway, so I'm good. I might just take everything and be done with it. If it drops under the 35, I'm out. 39, 15 shares left. 35, I'm out. Go ahead and take that off right there. So, ending today down $2. So I went down $40, made $20, and now I have a small red day. So I'm ending about break even, which I'm okay with. But man, that was a rough ride. That was a rough ride, man. Oh my goodness, I'm out here sweating. Feel like I just finished playing a sport. Alright, so a $2 red day. All those trades on this choppy day. I came in, went 40 or almost $50 red. I don't understand. Alright, let's look at the realized gains and losses. I don't even know what I made on those last 100 shares. Alright, so this was pre-market. Traded pre-market on AUVI. Made $1.40 off of those. And then accidentally went short down here. I'm focusing too much on one stock. What do you mean? Where are the other stocks? Where are they? Focusing on one stock has actually made me money back today. Focusing on the stocks that were just on my scanner. If you go back and watch the video, I know you came in late, but you go back and watch the video after I or even right now or after I go off the stream, you'll see that it was super choppy at the beginning, and I instantly down 50, and I just had to trade my way back, man. I know I was a little bit green, but I feel better now with a $2 loss rather than a $50 loss, because that means I'm still green on the week. So I much rather, actually, even if I had the $40 loss, I would still be green on the week. But look at it now. BCTX only gave me a little bit of room with a lot of wicks. So I'll take what I can get. I'm grateful for what I was able to take or take back from the market, but definitely got hectic right there on my transactions. Yeah, I was looking at that stock for about an hour, but look at what it was able to do for me. I mean, I'm willing to look at a stock for an hour if it's gonna pay, you know. What stocks were you suggesting, Daniel B? What stocks did you see? You know, you can always drop them in the comment section and or the chat, and I'll go and look at them. This is why I say if you see something that I do not see, drop it in the chat, and I will go and look. But my scanner is set specifically for stocks that can make moves like this, $1 in the profit. You know what I'm saying? BCTX 30 cents in the profit, 28 cents in the profit. 100 shares, that was 28 bucks back in my pocket. So, you know, that's what I'm looking. I'm not looking for something that's paying 15 cents because with my account size, it's just irrelevant. Why? Remember, I was talking the other day about when One Life was talking about Head and Shoulders. I was like, look, we're the dandruff in the market. We are not the big guys. We are not dropping, 10K. I literally on these transactions, you can look at the prices that I paid for them. 700 bucks for that last position. 500 bucks for the one before that. 500 for the one before that. 400. So I'm not dropping grands in here. I'm dropping hundreds. ALF CEO will be on Benzinga, so resale traders will react to this stock. Okay, ALF. Let's see. Let's see what ALF is doing. So remember, I keep my criteria. Needs to be in an uptrend. It is green on the day, or is it? No, it's actually not green on the day. Wait, why is it saying one, but it's showing, I guess, yeah, it's green on the day, but this topping tail is definitely a deterrent for most people. If they start buying and it gets into an uptrend, yeah, we could probably take trades, but other than that, just leave it alone. It's a dangerous thing. I would not be holding that unless you're going to invest in it into the aftermarket and sell in the aftermarket. Look at RBLX. RBLX, $85. Big decline right there. Where could it bounce to? Or wait a minute, wait. It's green on the day, but this setup here is gonna be fighting this downtrend. And it looks like it already gap filled here. So 86.91, it came up to the 86.50 and faded. So yeah, it may be on its way down. It needs to hold up 82.76. So 82.76, right where it bounced right there. Needs to hold that up. So that's a support right there. On that body of the candle right there. It bounced off of it once. What's the news on this one? Hype. It's got some hype news. Reports key 2021 key metrics. Look for 2 to 5 days to hold. Oh, you're going long term. You're going long term. But you're going long term into a downtrend. Are you okay with that? Well, I guess buying the dip, that makes sense. And this is a higher, let me look at the research. Yeah, this is a $48 billion company. So you got a reason to hold. And let me read this and see what kind of company it is. Roblox Corp is a technology company. The company extends to intends to build a human co-experience platform that enables shared experiences among billions of users. The company offers a platform which is powered by user-generated content that draws inspiration from gaming, entertainment, social media, and even toys. The company is focused on improving the ways in which the Roblox platform supports shared experiences, ranging from how these experiences are built by an exchanged or an engaged community of developers to how they are enjoyed and safely accessed by users across the globe. All Roblox platform users have identities in the form of avatars that allow them to interact and express themselves as whoever or whatever they want to be. Okay, so it's like a gaming entertainment type company. I feel GameStop. I feel GameStop. All right. Man, I don't know if that thing's gonna be going up for $200. Even 20 shares. I don't know if I have enough for 20 shares right now. I got 355 bucks left on the day. It's right here. What I got to trade on the day. So if I put in 355, it calculates to 4 shares. I can only afford 4 shares right now. And this is what I'm saying. You are trading with a bigger account size. Use your math. I can get 4 shares and maybe what, 50 bucks on this 355. This is all I have to trade. Literally, I show my account every single day. You know what I got to trade. So, and plus yeah, this is why I like to trade the lower type stuff, because it makes so much more sense with my account size. Oh yeah, I understand. But even if I wanted to take this trade, I couldn't. Not with what I got. But I'm just glad I am down $2. Think about that, man. If I didn't take any of those losses earlier and I would have stuck to trading things on my scanner. Okay, this one was on the scanner, so it went according to plan. But this one, which one was off of my scanner that I lost on? Was it Beano? No, I took money on Beano. I forgot which one was not a part of the plan. Ford, I believe it was. I believe. No. ALF wasn't a part of the plan, but I only lost a little bit on ALF. So the biggest losers were on ALF and AUV. But these 75s would really killed me today. Still though, pretty good profits if I would have just stayed away from ALF. Dude, I'm $2 down. Dude, I'm $2 down. I came back from the red. I was $50 down. But then again, you were not here at the open, so you didn't see how choppy it was. You did not experience the choppiness of the market. Let's see, what was the other one? ALF just did not continue. And I really don't think today is I mean, I know you say study, but I mean, I managed my risk. I did take a red. You're gonna take reds if you're a trader. It doesn't matter. You're gonna take red trades. But I was able to follow my plan to get back to break even on the day. And that's all I was looking for. I just didn't want to end today and be walking around with a $50 debt. So I'm completely okay with what I did today. Oh, would you rather be down 50 or would you rather be up at break even? Because $2, I can make $2. I probably made $2 just sitting here on the stream. Problem is when you will put to the trade, let's say 5K, your behavior will be very different from the behavior with 200, 300 bucks in the trade. Of course. Daniel B, of course, dude. You're dropping bro, 5K is in a whole different range from 200 to 300 bucks. I mean, 5K, even my biggest trade today was 711 bucks. So you put in 5 times that plus some. I am okay with that. I am okay. You can be very successful in the small game, but when you step up to bigger sizes, you can lose everything. Yeah. Yeah, you can. That's why I like to cut my losses. But think about it. If you were me and you were trading and you got a dollar in profit or something like that with your 5,000 shares, you would be good for the day. I wouldn't even trade anymore if I took that kind of share size and got a winning trade. I wouldn't even trade anymore for the day. I'd be done. I would be done just because you will beat yourself in your own mental game. What do you mean? I played the game pretty well today. At least I know the strategy that I use works, and it worked twice to get me back to break even. One loser, two winners. All right, I guess it was more than one loser, but the bigger size ones. The bigger size ones are what matter. But yeah, we saw all of our top movers fail today. Got very choppy all the way across the board. I think One Life said he was getting into this one, ALF, or was that you that said that? That was you that said that, ALF CEO. This is not something that I'll be jumping in on, even for the ride up. I like the momentum. Get the momentum while we're in an uptrend, and that's it. Buying down here, I rarely ever do it, and if I do it, it'll be on small share size. Because it's just you're fighting some overpowered shorts because they have the overall trend with them. And if it starts pushing down, it can be very, very bad. ALF, yeah. Yeah, ALF, I don't know, man. This one has a very strong downtrend. Even with the CEO news, let me see, did that pop up here? No, that didn't pop up here. Agrees to shift. Okay, no, I didn't get any news on the CEO. Maybe that's just on Benzinga. Maybe it hasn't updated yet. But still, I don't know about it. It's holding up to 668, but it's looking like it's pushing down towards that level. Just like how I traded the other one, the one BCTX. If you were to look at the top there, oh wow, BTCX is back up. Do we want to try another entry just to get green on the day? What's the top of this? 724. All right, let's do this. How many shares can I get of this? 355. I like it. 355. 355. Okay, so I can get 48 shares now, but I do like it. Do like that it's holding these levels. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a bit and see if it can't wait. Let's look at the 15 minute. 15 minute, we have a high up here that could be resistance of the 734. 15 minute right there, 734. So that could be the profit target there. Let's see if it gives us some red back down. Can it hold up that 24 right there? I can get rid of some of these. Get rid of some of these. I literally don't need anything but like a couple inches on a trade, and I'll be green on the day. All right. 25s. Can we get a quick little scalp on 25 shares? Looking like it's heavy right there. So we got buying pressure. This was kind of weird. Then we're getting a ramping buying pressure again. The only problem is this right here, 732, can become resistance. So it's very close to the top. We'll have to wait and see, I guess. But it's looking like it wants to get up there. I may just wait to see if it can hold the 733s, to be honest. Getting some shorting pressure there. Really ordered the book from Jesse Livermore. Oh man. Let's let it pull back a little bit. See if it can stay, because it got some pretty nice pullbacks here. The support here is 702. I want to see it kind of consolidate just a little bit. It's got nice support here. Got a nice little range, but now it looks like it wants to go. So I'm gonna wait to see what this candle does, since it's taking its sweet time. See if it'll snap back through the 27s. Okay, it is finding some resistance right there. Love to see it stay within this range one more time, but stay above these the 706 really. Yeah, I'll wait. We wanted it to touch the 733s and see how much rejection it gets off of it. See if it gets any more rejection. Come on. Or will it push through? Okay, getting a little bit of rejection there. Can it break down the 30s? 28 right there. Nice, nice, nice. Still green on the 15 minute, but it did get up there to the 733 and reject hard. The buying volume has also declined a whole lot. Let's see if it gets shoved down under the 25. Want to see some red here that stays above the 706. Looking for another entry. There's some red. Can we stay above this 706 level? Ooh, 15 minute going red as well. Looking quite heavy. Disappearing off my scanner immediately. Let this candle close. 1224. Daniel B says, really order the book from Jesse Livermore, How to Trade Stocks. You will get a different view on trading. Please, you should watch those videos. Yeah. Let's see what this thing is gonna do. 722. 722 here. I don't even know how much I'm gonna have tomorrow to trade, because I traded so much money today. Tomorrow may be trash as well though, so may be trash as well. Still building up to that top level. Literally has a trend line just running into that top level, but not giving any kind of setup that I like. So I'm not about to be jumping in there. Not about to be jumping in there. If it slips under VWAP, it is done. It's been through VWAP once, twice. It's either gonna go or it's not. It is below the 5-minute 9 EMA. Can I make today a green day? Can BCTX get me to the green today? I don't know. We'll see if it can hold up the $7. If not, it's over, and I'll close down the stream. See if it crashes the 7. Nope, pulling back up there. Getting a nice little stopping point at the 710 there. Can we get consolidation anywhere in here? Let's see. It's got to get back past the 722 to be tradable. Will it start breaking down to 15? 16 sitting out there on the bid, getting hit. Will we get any buyers there? The 16, questionable. Okay, there's a 20 back up there, so it is kind of getting bought up there. Nice. Alright, there we go. I like it again, and I'll be out at this 712 here. If it wants to get going upward. Let's see what kind of action it gives. How many minutes is left? A minute and 30 seconds. Let's see if it can hold above that 719. 719, will it crack it? Yep. Very quick little dip on the 719. May not give anything here. Yeah, I'm not liking this movement. Trying to get back up to the 719, not seeing it on the bid. $719, $718. Yep, there's a little bit of droppage right there. We did not want to see it break the 7, but it's looking like it's getting a lot of momentum to the downside here. It's got this trend line that it's been following, but I believe the breakdown is coming. It's been going, going, going. I knew it had to plummet at some time. Got to get back over the 7-8 or the 7-17 here, but I don't think it can. It's a short setup now. Topping tail up here. It had this nice buy up, but it when it got up here, I was just gonna wait for it to see if it can hold the top of this buy up of the 728, and it snapped back down like 2 minutes into this candle, and it took it forever to push up there to the 33 as well. So we'll see if it wants to consolidate or what it wants to do to break this 733, if it can, and stay across it. All right, let's look and see what Daniel B said. Don't watch on YouTube traders videos. Watch real top professional videos or interviews and try to read between the lines. There is so much information, what the public mostly does not understand. It is like a puzzle, key to trading, or a key to trading thinking. Yeah, that sounds about right. That sounds about right. $7.22. So it's definitely looking like a short position here. Popping up there. Not too interested in this move. Let's see what it does. This may be a dead cat bounce. I don't know who is buying this like this, but okay. Let's see if we can get a rejection, or can it hold up this 22 level. Support right there. Needs to hold up the 22 level, and I'll be looking for some entries. Pull back to the 22. Needs to get back over the 23 quickly. I like it now. Let's see if we can pull back again above the 23. Can we pull back one more time above the 23? Okay, that's above the 23 right there. I like it. Can we pull back one more time for absolute confirmation? Come on. Yeah, it may be ready to go here. I just wanted one more pullback. It's like it's not going to give it to me. But I do like this setup. Let's see if we can pull back one more time above that 23. Yeah, it's ready to go. Yeah. Yeah, it's looking real ready to go here. 33 is up there, but it is not on the bid. Let's see if it 31 right there. Okay, getting back up there to the 33s. I don't like it. I don't like it. It looks like a double top. High is a 733, 733. Okay. But I do like the way that it continues to try to get up there. I like it. Can it break the 33? Can we see 33? Nope. Back down to the 20. Not seeing the 30s pop up there. I see the 25s. 30s. I like it. Okay. I want to see it hold the 33. I'm not going to play this game. Not going to play this game. I'm going to let it do what it's got to do here. Don't really know what that is. but it's only inching out a couple inches. 33 to the 34. Let's see if we get a snatch down. Okay, 35s. All right. Now, there we go. Can we get some red here? Apparently not. Can we get a little bit of red? Give us just a little bit of red before you go, buddy. Give us some red here. Come on. You know you want to test down. Yeah, that's what we want. Yeah, I like it. How far are we gonna test down? This one's got 5 minutes left on it, so did give us some red, but there we go. There's a nice little test down of red right there. 25 is where it bounced off of. 25s. I like it. 25 holding up there. Alright, so now it's time to scalp a bit. I do like it above that 33 though. Can we get the 34s? Like it. Entering there for a small pop off. Let's see if we can get it. The bottom of this low is a 726. I'll be out. 725, 724, and 25 shares. Very quick little out if it gets me. Let's see if it gets bought up or will it get me. I like it. I'm willing to take this risk. Can we stay over the 30s? Getting ready to take some quick profits maybe. What's the top of this? The high is the 45, so yeah, it's gonna have to be quick. 45 right there. Yep. All right, the bottom of this igniting candle is a 713. I may actually move it down there because I think this one can actually go higher. So I'm gonna move it to the bottom of this candle, 713. We'll see. That'll give it a little bit of playroom. Low is 713, 712, just in case. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can get any motion to the top. Let's see if we can get the 31s back up there if possible. Can we get the 31s? Looking for the 31s here. There we go. 31s are holding. See the 32s, I'll add. Nope, didn't see the 32s there. Okay. Nice touchdown. Can we get back into the 30s? If not, I'll be out at the bottom of this igniting candle. Let's see. So we're right down here on the bottom. Will you break down? I'm not adding anything to this. Nothing. Top of this was the 22. Would love to see it stay above the 22. Let me draw that support line in there. Right there, 22. It's got a little range, but I don't know. I don't know if it can get back up there. 22 may start to be the out point. 722. We will see. The shorts are like, this can't be a 3-bar play, right? It's so extended. It looks so extended, right? Alright, so let's see. The low of this is 722. Still holding up our igniting candle down here. My risk right now from the 36 down to the whatever this is, 13, like a 20-cent risk on 25 shares. So I'm just gonna wait and see real quick. Can we get into the 30s, 31s? Okay, nice. Oh boy. 30s, 31s. Can we get it? See the 28s. 28 sitting there with a little bit of size, but not impressed. 23s, 20, so it can drop to the 22s right now if it got going down. Let's see, will it start getting bought up? I see something happening at the 30s. Is that buying or selling? We don't know yet. Something is happening at the 30s. Is that buying or selling? Those orders have not started going through. 30, 31. If it can push back into the 30s, I will be looking to use this as a bottom, our last bottom. Low of the 722. 722. That'll be a break-even trade. Don't know if it wants to go or not. 33 is kind of holding it. Got to get bought up through those 33s. Can it happen? Seen a lot of action at the 32s. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to use this one as my out. Low of the 722. I can't play with this one. Seems like it's getting a little dangerous. So I do 20 instead of a 33. So here we go. Breaks out of the 20. We'll put that in. So we'll put it at the 19 right there. That'll be a nice little risk there if it wants to break down right under the 20. Like I said, the shorts are like, hey, this can't be a 3-bar play, right? You never know. You never know, man. Then again, it could just fail right here and stop me out. But I have, what am I risking? Almost 16 cents or something like that. We'll see. It's about to open up this new candle. Can we get bought up through the 33 and hold? 33s. Gotta hold that 30. 33s. We got about 15 seconds on this candle, getting heavy. The bottom of this is the 20, so let me go ahead and put it at the 24. If it breaks that $1/4 level, I will be out. I cannot play with that. So risking just a little bit here to the 24. It wants to break that level. Be about 10 cents on this one. Can we get those 34s there? 32s. Okay, double top right there. I don't like that. It's got to push through the 35s right now. 33s. Nice. All right. So this will have to be our bottom low of the 30. So 29 I'll have to get out because it's getting a little heavy right here. 29. Get out right there at the 29 there. It'd be a nice it'd be a small loss at the 29, but I'm just not confident in it. It's showing me red right now. It's got to pop up. If it breaks the 30, I'm out. Got to give us that pop up or I will be out. Can we get that 34? Seeing the 33s pop back up there with no size. 33, 34, 35s. What's the bottom of this candle? Low of the 30. It can push. It needs to push now. So the ask is right at the 34. Very tight range of 1 cent. If it can get bought up here, that'll be nice. But if it can't, I'm okay with that as well. A lot of action at the 34s. Maybe short action. Can we get the 35s finally on the bid? 34s. Nice size at the 34. Yeah, that's short action. I'll be out here. Right. Unless it pops back up. Will it break the 30s? If it breaks the 30s, I'm out. A lot of selling right there. Yep, out right there. I'm totally fine with that. Lost what, like 10 cents? It was supposed to be 5, but I think I got some slippage on that. Yeah, 9 cents. So 10 cents on that one. I'm okay with that. I am done for the day. I'm not taking any more trades. If y'all gonna continue trading, be careful. Tried to manage my little risk. Gave it plenty of time to get through there, but I'm done. Anyway, I had fun streaming today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're on YouTube. Remember, it's all about the management of your risk. What are you okay with losing? Yeah, that's about it. Daniel B, see you in the next one. Enjoy your commentary. And he's still calling me Paul. Okay, Daniel B, we're gonna get it right one day. But everybody else, if you're on Twitch, make sure you follow, and we'll be back in the next one. Peace out.